चुप रहो, मुझे शांति से गाने सुनने दो। Stay quiet, let me listen to music peacefully. Stay quiet, let me listen to music peacefully. चुप रहो, मुझे शांति से मूवी देखने दो। Stay quiet, let me watch a movie peacefully. Stay quiet, let me watch a movie peacefully. चुप रहो, मुझे शांति से पढ़ने दो। Stay quiet, let me study peacefully. Stay quiet, let me study peacefully. चुप रहो, मुझे शांति से सोने दो। Stay quiet, let me sleep peacefully. Stay quiet, let me sleep peacefully. सो जाओ, मैंने कब रोका है? Go to sleep, when did I stop you? Go to sleep, when did I stop you? मैं तो बस गाने सुन रहा था। I was just listening to songs. I was just listening to songs. अच्छा ठीक है, मिलजुल कर रहा करो। Okay, live in harmony. Okay, live in harmony. मेरी फिक्र ना कीजिए। Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. आप ज़्यादा ही फिक्र करते हैं। You worry too much. You worry too much. भगवान सब ठीक करेंगे। God will take care of everything. God will take care of everything. मैं आपका हमेशा साथ दूंगा। I will always be with you. I will always be with you. आपको कभी भी अकेला नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will never leave you alone. I will never leave you alone. बहुत से लोग एक बड़ा घर होने का सपना देखते हैं। Many people have a dream of big house. Many people have a dream of big house. मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा सपना है। I have a big dream. I have a big dream. जिसे मैं पूरा करना चाहता हूँ। Which I want to fulfill. Which I want to fulfill. मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। I will have to work very hard. I will have to work very hard. बहुत सारे पैसे कमाने पड़ेंगे। I will have to earn a lot of money. I will have to earn a lot of money. सफलता एक दिन तुम्हारे कदम चूमेगी। Success will touch your feet one day. Success will touch your feet one day. बस तुम हिम्मत मत हारना। You just don't lose your courage. You just don't lose your courage. सही समय आने पर तुम्हें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। Everything will come at the right time. Everything will come at the right time. तुम में बहुत सारी कमियां हैं। You have many flaws. You have many flaws. इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूँ। Despite that, I like you. Despite that, I like you. मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will never leave you. I will never leave you. ये तो मेरा फर्ज था। It was my responsibility. It was my responsibility. इसमें काफी समय लगेगा। It will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. क्या आप इसे करने में मेरी मदद करेंगे? Will you help me with this? Will you help me with this? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? डैड चाहते थे कि मैं उनका बिजनेस ज्वाइन करूं। Dad wanted me to join his business. Dad wanted me to join his business. लेकिन मुझे डैड का बिजनेस पसंद नहीं है। But I don't like dad's business. But I don't like dad's business. मैं तो एक यूट्यूबर बनना चाहता हूँ। I want to become a YouTuber. I want to become a YouTuber. पापा मुझ पर बहुत गुस्सा करते हैं। Dad gets very angry with me. Dad gets very angry with me. लेकिन मुझे पता है उन्हें मेरी बहुत फिक्र है। But I know he cares a lot about me. But I know he cares a lot about me. एक दिन मैं उनका नाम रोशन करूंगा। One day I will make his name shine. One day I will make his name shine. वो अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई। She couldn't hold back her tears. She couldn't hold back her tears. वो रो रही थी। She was crying. She was crying. तुम्हें उससे बात करनी चाहिए थी। You should have talked to him. You should have talked to him. तुम्हें ढूंढने में मुझे 5 मिनट लगे। It took me 5 minutes to find you. It took me 5 minutes to find you. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैंने तुम्हें हॉस्पिटल के सामने इंतज़ार करने के लिए बोला था। I told you to wait in front of the hospital. I told you to wait in front of the hospital. फिर तुम यहाँ क्यों इंतज़ार कर रही हो? Why are you waiting here now? Why are you waiting here now? तुम्हें पता है मुझे कितनी परेशानी हुई? You know how much trouble I went through? You know how much trouble I went through? आगे से ऐसा मत करना। Don't do this again. Don't do this again. शायद आज ट्रेन लेट हो सकती है। Maybe the train is late today. Maybe the train is late today. हाँ, मुझे भी लगता है। Yes, I think too. Yes, I think too. चलो फिर यहाँ पर बैठते हैं। Okay, let's sit here. Okay, let's sit here. और बताओ तुम्हारे ऑफिस में क्या चल रहा है? Tell me what's going on in your office. Tell me what's going on in your office. सब ठीक चल रहा है। Everything is going well. Everything is going well. तुम बताओ। What about you? What about you? ये किताब कितने की है? How much is this book? How much is this book? ये किताब 100 रुपए की है। This book is 100 rupees. This book is 100 rupees. कितनी महंगी किताब है? Such an expensive book. Such an expensive book. क्या आप थोड़ा कम कर सकते हैं? Can you lower the price a bit? Can you lower the price bit? चलो ठीक है 80 में ले लो. Okay fine, you can have it for 80 rupees. Okay fine, you can have it for 80 rupees. आपने कब से मुझे नहीं देखा? Since when have you not seen me? Since when have you not seen me? मैंने तुम्हें पिछले 5 सालों से नहीं देखा. I have not seen you for the last 5 years. I have not seen you for the last 5 years. तुम तो कितनी बड़ी हो गई हो. You have grown so big now. You have grown so big now. अब तुम क्या करती हो? What do you do now? What do you do now? मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. मैं तुम्हें पढ़ने नहीं दूंगा. I won't let you study. I won't let you study. मैं मम्मी को बता दूंगी. I will tell mom. I will tell mom. तुमने मुझे अपना आधा सैंडविच क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you give me a half of your sandwich? Why didn't you give me half of your sandwich? वो मेरा सैंडविच था. That was my sandwich. That was my sandwich. तुम अपना सारा सैंडविच खा चुके थे. You had already eaten all of yours. You had already eaten all of yours. वो अपने मकान की मरम्मत करवा रहा है. He is getting his house repaired. He is getting his house repaired. तुरंत जाओ. Go immediately. Go immediately. वो रोने लगेगी. She will start crying. She will start crying. जाकर उसे देखो. Go and see her. Go and see her. क्या आप कुछ भूल रहे हैं? Are you forgetting something? Are you forgetting something? नहीं, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा. No, I'm not saying anything. No, I'm not saying anything. सच में? Really? Really? वैसे मुझे बताओ ये आइडिया किसका था? By the way, whose idea was this? By the way, whose idea was this? बड़ा ही बकवास आइडिया था. It was a really stupid idea. It was a really stupid idea. ऐसा आइडिया आगे से मत बताना. Don't tell me such ideas in the future. Don't tell me such ideas in the future. हर टाइम बकवास मारता रहता है. Talking rubbish all the time. Talking rubbish all the time. So that's it for today. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय.